Faults and faults. The continuous movement of the Earth's crustal plates can squeeze, stretch, or break rock strata, deforming them and producing faults and faults. A fault is a fracture in a rock along which there is movement of one side relative to the other. The movement can be vertical, horizontal, or oblique, vertical and horizontal. Faults develop when rocks are subjected to compression or tension. They tend to occur in hard, rigid rocks which are more likely to break than bend. The smallest faults occur in single mineral crystals and are microscopically small, whereas the largest, the Great Rift Valley in Africa, which formed between 5 million and 1 lakh years ago, is more than 9,000 kilometers long. A fault is a bend in a rock layer caused by compression. Faults occur in elastic rocks which tend to bend rather than break. The two main types of fault are anticlines up faults and synclines down faults. Faults vary in size from a few millimeters long to folded mountain ranges hundreds of kilometers long, such as the Himalayas and the Alps, which are repeatedly folding. In addition to faults and faults, other features associated with rock deformations include boudins, mullions, and N-echelon fractures. Folder rock. Steeply dipping limbs, crest of anticline, plunge. Structure of a fault. Axial plane, angle of plunge, crest, limb, hinge line. Structure of a fault. Fault plane, up throw, down throw, head of fault plane, angle from vertical, throw vertical displacement of fault, dip of fault plane, angle from horizontal. Structure of a slope, strike, angle of dip, direction of dip, strike and dip are at right angles to each other. Examples of faults: anticlinorium, synclinorium, monocline, anticline, syncline, isocline, overtuned fault, overthrust fault, recumbent fault, fan fault, box fault, cuspide fault, chevron fault. Examples of faults: normal dip slip fault, reverse dip slip fault, sinistral strike slip lateral fault, thrust fault, dextral strike slip lateral fault, oblique slip fault, graben, host, tear fault, cylindrical fault. Small scale rock deformations. Tension, competent bed rocks that break, incompetent bed rocks that bend, tension, bouding. Competent bed breaks into sections. Competent bed, incompetent bed, tension. Mullion, competent bed splits into prisms. Joint opened by stress, masses of rock shear past each other. N-echelon fracture. Section through folder rock strata that have been eroded. Dipping bed, upper Carboniferous Millstone grit, anticlinal fault, lower Carboniferous limestone, monoclinical fault, mineral filled fault, mineral filled fault, dipping bed, upper Carboniferous Millstone grit, gently folded bed, mineral filled fault, dipping bed, horizontal bed, upper Carboniferous coal measures.